madness.
Hello, welcome to Tuhin's editing, and today I'm going to show you how you can add fade out text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So we have already one background in our timeline, and now I'm going to type something and add fade out text effect on it. So let's type something here. And I'm going to make it larger on the middle so it's perfectly centered. And right now I'm going to add some fade out effect. So click on the text layer, go to the effect control, and you will see a opacity option, and under the opacity option there is a pen tool. Click on that and make a mask, a rectangular mask, and close it. And after that go to the mask path, go here, and in the end, and make one mask path, and click on the mask again, go to the first and starting, and drag the mask out of the screen. You will see another keyframe has already created here. So let's play it. I think the distance is too big. We're going to decrease it, and let's play it. So it's a very beautiful effect, but let's make it a little bit better. Into the mask feather, maybe 200, add 200, and now you'll see it's looking like a fade out effect. So yeah, very easily you can add fade out effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.